Hello students, myself Rakesh Misra. This is very important video for class 11th and those who are going to appear in competitive examination with respect to biology. This is problems of C4 plants and their adaptation. In this video lecture we will learn about the problems of C4 plants first and their adaptation second terms. As you all know, in previous video lecture I have introduced about the different kinds of plants. Plants may be the C3 plants or plants may be the C4 plants. Let I recap the overall summary of C3 and C4 plants. Plants before glucose formation form the intermediate products. Intermediate products may be the 3 carbon compound or may be the 4 carbon compound. The 3 carbon compound are phosphoglyceric acid and the 4 carbon compound are oxaloacetic acid. Plants that form 3 carbon compound as phosphoglyceric acid called C3 plants and plants that form 4 carbon compound as an intermediate product as the oxaloacetic acid called C4 plants. Plants that have the C3 cycle or C3 adaptation or grow in summer region or winter season or different adaptation in C3 plants occurs during the winter season. It means very cold climates. The C3 plants adapted in the cold climatic habitat, while the C4 plants grow in very warmer condition and having the light intensity, much light intensity over there, and with respect of light intensity, the much oxygen present inside the chloroplast. So plants may suffer with the problems of rubisco, their inactivity and denaturation. Let's see what are the different problems of C4 plants. First of all, the first problems of C4 plants are the temperature, and second problems are the much oxygen. Why? Because C4 plants like sugarcane, sorghum, euphorbia, maize, chenopodium, grow in warmer habitats. Show the flowering phenomenon in warmer habitats. They are adapted in warmer condition. So there has two problems: the temperature and much oxygen. Even if they grow in warmer habitats or their growth occurs during the warmer season or winter season, then there will be the problems of much light intensity. And the much light intensity causes much photolysis. And all you know that the photolysis of water causes formation of oxygen, hydrogen and electron. Hydrogen and electron do not causes any major problems in the plants because they often utilize in the synthesis of ATP and NADPH. As you all know, during the process of the JD-scheme cycle or the cyclic photophosphorylation. But here, during the photolysis, general photolysis, the oxygen that released after the photolysis can reduce the activity of rubisco enzyme. Rubisco enzyme, actually basic problems of C4 plants is not for their own physiology. The temperature and much oxygen affect the rubisco enzyme. Rubisco enzyme के साथ familiar है आप? Rubisco enzyme को high temperature मिलेगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? Denatured हो जाएगा. ठीक है? Rubisco after getting high temperature get denatured. Not only rubisco, most of the enzyme that has the polypeptide chain get denatured. What is denatured? if the polypeptide chain get high temperature, then the polypeptide chain and the peptide bond in between them get broken down and they will convert into the monomeric units, so that every kinds of enzyme, whether the Rubisco, lipase, amylase, after getting high temperature get denatured. That phenomenon is known as denaturation. Even if the oxygen present much around the any enzyme, then enzyme get inactive. So Rubisco enzyme get affected by both temperature and oxygen. This is the problems of C4 plants because they grow in warmer habitats. The light intensity are greater. During the winter season, there are different layers of smog and fog causes the filtration of light intensity, so that the very less amount of light intensity fall over the leaves, and plants perform very less amount of photolysis and the very less amount of oxygen present inside the around the leaf system, so that plants without any problems of Rubisco perform the C3 cycle. But as you all know, C3 cycle is important for the formation of glucose, whether the plants are C4 or whether the plants are C3. C3 cycle or Calvin cycle is essential. For the good result of C3 cycle or Calvin cycle, there is a need of active Rubisco enzyme, and for the active Rubisco enzyme, plant ensure there has no temperature and no oxygen. C3 plants resolve the problems of temperature and oxygen because they grow in during the winter season. During the winter season, temperature is very optimum, that is favorable for Rubisco enzyme, and very less oxygen present. So it is also favorable for Rubisco. C3 plants do not any have these kinds of problem. While the C4 plants, temperature are greater and having the much oxygen because of having much photolysis causes the inactivity and denaturation of Rubisco enzyme. So they face the many problems and very least synthesis of glucose. Now back to the overall process. Let I erase it. Overall adaptation by which the C4 plants get adapted to face these problems. Listen carefully. How the C4 plants adapt after having the high temperature and much oxygen, yet they perform the process of C3 cycle. Let I erase it, then I will introduce you what are the different adaptation in C4 plants. C4 plants भी आसानी से C3 cycle कर लेता है, लेकिन उसके लिए एक adaptation होता है जिससे वो टेम्परेचर से भी बच जाता है और ऑक्सीजन से भी अपने आप को बचा लेता है. कैसे, इसको मैं इरेज कर देना फिर समझा रहा हूं. अब आते हैं adaptation in C4 plants. Adaptation in C4 plants. Adaptation is the terms by which something get problems or the living being get problems, then there is a need of adaptation. If there is no problem, then there is no need of adaptation. ठीक है, adaptation तभी होता है जब किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम्स होता है. यहाँ पे C4 प्लांट्स को क्या प्रॉब्लम्स है ऊपर मैंने मेंशन कर दिया था इससे पहले, टेम्परेचर एंड ऑक्सीजन. और ये C4 की पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. C4 में जो रुबिस्को एंजाइम है उसके लिए प्रॉब्लम. रुबिस्को काम नहीं करेगा, पीजीए नहीं बनेगा, पीजीए नहीं बनेगा तो क्या नहीं होगा, ग्लूकोज नहीं बनेगा. ठीक है, सीधी सी बात है, रुबिस्को को काम करना जरूरी है. लिसन, इन C4 प्लांट्स द टू डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ एडाप्टेशन आर फाउंड. द फर्स्ट एडाप्टेशन दे हैज द C4 प्लांट्स हैव द डाइमॉर्फिक chloroplast, and the second adaptation in C4 plants are the Kranz anatomy. The Kranz anatomy. The first adaptation dimorphic chloroplast and second adaptation is Kranz anatomy. One by one I will introduce whatever the important factors. Listen. Dimorphic means di means hota hai two. In C4 plants there are two types of chloroplast are found. There are two types of chloroplast are found. The granule chloroplast and agranule chloroplast. Agranule chloroplast. Granule chloroplast, chloroplast having grana, and the agranule chloroplast, chloroplast without grana. Without grana. Listen, as you all know, grana is responsible for photolysis. That is, the light reaction causes the photolysis in plants, and that light reaction occurs in the grana. So in C4 plants, the grana, this is the chloroplast, some chloroplast has the grana, this is the grana, and perform the process of photolysis. Listen, this is the grana and this is the stroma. So stroma of this types of granule chloroplast in C4 plants has no Rubisco enzyme. It means even if this perform the photolysis, then oxygen that released out from grana can affect the Rubisco. So Rubisco are not found in the granule chloroplast. इसमें granule chloroplast में Rubisco होता ही नहीं, ठीक है। इस वजह से ये रूबिस्को और उससे रिलेटेड जो भी काम है, यानी C3 साइकिल से रिलेटेड जो भी काम है, वो एक दूसरे क्लोरोप्लास्ट में करता है, और ये दूसरे टाइप का क्लोरोप्लास्ट है। लिसन, दिस इज सेकेंड टाइप्स ऑफ क्लोरोप्लास्ट हैविंग नो ग्रेना, ओनली स्ट्रोमा, दैट इज ओनली स्ट्रोमा, इट मींस नो ग्रेना। और इस ए ग्रेनुलर क्लोरोप्लास्ट में ढेर सारे रूबिस्को होते हैं, रूबिस्को एंजाइम, और इनको कोई प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं होती यहाँ पे, क्योंकि ग्रेना है नहीं, फोटोलिसिस होगा नहीं, फोटोलिसिस नहीं हुआ तो ऑक्सीजन नहीं निकलेगा, और ऑक्सीजन नहीं निकलेगा तो ये ट्रबल्स नहीं करेंगे। इतनी बातें क्लियर हुई। सो ऑल द इवेंट्स दैट रिक्वायर्ड एक्टिविटी ऑफ रूबिस्को एंजाइम इन C4 प्लांट ऑकर्स इन ए ग्रेनुलर क्लोरोप्लास्ट. It means problem of oxygen is resolved. Now temperature problems. It means, as you all know, for photosynthesis there is a need of light and dark reaction both. In C4 plants, light reaction occurs in the granular chloroplast and dark reaction occurs in agranular chloroplast. In C3 plants, light and dark reaction both occurs in granular, because not much light intensity fall, so the not much oxygen release, so Rubisco properly works. In C4 plants, much light intensity fall, so much oxygen release can inactive the Rubisco, so Rubisco not exist in this part. Rubisco exists only in the agranular chloroplast. Okay. Now back to the Cranch anatomy. What is Cranch? Cranch means the wreath. Cranch means the wreath. Wreath क्या होता है? माला, ठीक है, फूलों की माला। C4 प्लांट्स को जब TS काटेंगे ऐसे, ठीक है, ये लीफ है, सपोज दैट ये लीफ है, और लीफ का जब आप TS काटेंगे तो सेंटर में क्या दिखता है? इसके सेंटर में दिखता है वैस्कुलर बंडल. दिस इज द वैस्कुलर बंडल, एंड अराउंड द वैस्कुलर बंडल very specific cells are found. This is very specific cells are found. This specific cells is known as bundle sheath cell. This is known as bundle sheath cells. And bundle sheath cells around vascular bundle form the wreath like arrangement. It means ये माले के जैसा दिखता है, बिल्कुल माला जैसा दिखता है. It form the wreath like arrangement. This form the wreath like arrangement. Wreath like arrangement. So Cranch anatomy are common in C4 plants. And just after the bundle sheath cell and vascular bundle, this is the upper and lower epidermis of leaf, and this is the mesophyll cell. This is the mesophyll cells. This is mesophyll cells. Mesophyll cells. The C3 plants perform overall process in mesophyll cells, while the C4 plants perform the C3 cycle, whether the Rubisco enzyme in the bundle sheath cell. In bundle sheath cell, ऊपर मैंने लिखा in bundle sheath cell. Here the C3 cycle occurs. Why C3 cycle occurs in only bundle seed cell? Because in bundle seed cell no grana found. It means it has the A granule type of chloroplast and it is found deep at the mid of the leaf, so temperature cannot affect the bundle seed cell. ये ऐसी जगह पे होता है जहां पे टेम्परेचर पहुंच ही नहीं पाता, एकदम मिड में होता है, सो टेम्परेचर प्रॉब्लम्स आल्सो रिजॉल्व. ठीक है. और बाकी मेसोफिल सेल में फोटोलिसिस होता रहेगा, ऑक्सीजन वहीं से बाहर निकलता रहे, इसको अफेक्ट नहीं करेगा. ठीक है. बोथ प्रॉब्लम्स गेट रिजॉल्व इन द C4 plants. In next video lecture I will define you the C4 cycle. This is the adaptation and problems of C4 plants. In next video lecture what happened in between the mesophyll cells and bundle cells will discuss. Thank you.